Welcome to Question and Answer on OpenOffice Writer. Let's learn with MG through stories, poems, and a touch of learning magic. Question 1. Sarah wants to make some text thicker than the rest. Which formatting option should they use? A. Italic. B. Bold. C. Underline. D. Justify. The correct answer is B. Bold. Question 2. Identify the option that helps you to see how text is placed on the screen with respect to the margins. A. Text alignment. B. Indentation. C. Line spacing. D. Format paintbrush. The correct answer is A. Text alignment. Question 3. Aaliyah wants the text to look neat and evenly spaced between the left and right margins. Which alignment should they use? A. Left alignment. B. Right alignment. C. Justify alignment. D. Center alignment. The correct answer is C. Justify alignment. Question 4. Alex wants the main heading to be slanted to the right. Which option should they use? A. Control plus B. B. Control plus I. C. Control U. D. Control plus J. The correct answer is B. Control I. Question 5. In a writer document, text is aligned to the underscore and aren't margin by default. A. Left. B. Right. C. Center. D. None. The correct answer is A. Left. Question 6. Indentation refers to A. The distance of the text or paragraph from the right or left margin. B. Space between words. C. Space between lines. D. Size of text. The correct answer is A. The distance of the text or paragraph from the right or left margin. Question 7. Arun wants to set line spacing to single quickly. Which shortcut key should they use? A. Control plus 1. B. Control plus 2. C. Control plus 5. D. Control S. The correct answer is A. Control plus 1. Question 8. Mia wants extra space between the left margin and the paragraph. What should they do? A. Decrease indent. B. Control 5 for 1.5 spacing. C. Increase indent. D. Bullets on-off. The correct answer is C. Increase indent. Question 9. Kevin wants a list of chores without any order. Which option should they use? A. Numbering. B. Bullets. C. Left alignment. D. Justify alignment. The correct answer is B. Bullets. Question 10. Which feature automatically corrects spelling mistakes while typing? A. Autoformat. B. Spell check. C. Autocorrect. D. Grammar check. The correct answer is C. Autocorrect. Question 11. Shreya typed 2 instead of 2. Which option should they use to correct it? A. Thesaurus. B. Find and replace. C. Format paintbrush. D. Indentation. The correct answer is B. Find and replace. Question 12. Which option copies formatting from one paragraph to another? A. Thesaurus. B. Find and replace. C. Indentation. D. Format paintbrush. The correct answer is D. Format paintbrush. Question 13. Lily wants to replace experiment with investigation 1 by 1. Which button should they use? A. Replace all. B. Find all. C. Replace. D. Thesaurus. The correct answer is C. Replace. Question 14. Tom wants to run spell check for the entire document. Which key should they press? A. F. Tzenketu. B. F7. C. Control SD. Control E. The correct answer is B. F7. Question 15. Jack wants a synonym for happy. Which feature should they use? A. Find and replace. B. Spell check. C. Format paintbrush. D. Thesaurus. The correct answer is D. Thesaurus. Question 16. John wants each line of their poem aligned to the middle of the page. Which option should they choose? A. Right alignment. B. Left alignment. C. Right alignment. D. Justify alignment. E. Center alignment. The correct answer is E. Center alignment. Let's fill in the blanks. Changing the appearance or layout of a document is called blank. Answer: formatting. The blank option slants text to the right. Answer: italics. Blank describe how text is placed on the screen with respect to margins. Answer: alignments. Blank allows searching and replacing words throughout the document. Answer: find and replace. Blank refers to the distance of text from margins. Answer: indentation. The blank option makes text thicker. Answer: bold. Blank aligns text to both margins with extra spaces. Answer: justify. Blank copies formatting from one section to another. Answer: format paintbrush. Let's identify some common icons and their uses in OpenOffice Writer. Find, search for text in the document. Shortcut, Control-F, center alignment, places text in the center of margins. Shortcut, Control-E, increase, indent, moves paragraph further from left margin. Spacing option, adjusts line spacing. Shortcuts, Control-1 for single, Control-2 for double, Control+5 for 1.5 spacing. Format paintbrush, copies the format of selected text and applies it to other text. Thesaurus, lists synonyms to help choose the right words and improve vocabulary. Shortcut, Control-F7. Let's answer some short questions. Dia deleted a paragraph. How can they restore it? Answer: use undo. Shortcut, Control and Z. Why use replace instead of replace all? Answer: to review each change before applying it. How to check spelling and grammar? Answer: use spell check by pressing F7 or right-click on words underlined in red for suggestions. Suda typed wonderful instead of beautiful. How to replace? Answer: use find and replace, enter the words, and click replace all or replace. How do you convert text into a bulleted or numbered list? Answer: select the text and click bullets on-off or numbering on-off. Here are some useful keyboard shortcuts in OpenOffice Writer. Bold, Control-P, italic, Control-I, underline, Control-O, center align, Control-O-E, right align, Control-R, spacing, single line spacing, Control+1, spell check, F7, undo, Control-Un-Z, redo, Control-Y, find and replace, Control-F. Let's look at some important differences. Autocorrect fixes common spelling errors automatically. Autocomplete suggests words as you type. Center alignment places text at the center of the left and right margins, mostly used for titles and headings. Shortcut, Control-E. Justified alignment places text evenly between the left and right margins by adding extra spaces between words, mainly used for books, magazines, and newspapers to give text a uniform and neat look. Shortcut, Control+J. Bullets versus numbered lists. Bullets, used for unordered lists, shown with symbols like circles or squares. Example, apple, watermelon, banana. Numbered lists, used for ordered lists, shown with numbers, alphabets, or Roman numerals. Example, car, bike, truck. Question: what do you mean by alignment of text? How many types of alignments are available in Writer? Answer: the alignment of text means how text is placed on the screen with respect to the margins. There are 4 types of alignment: left, right, center, and justify alignment. Question: what do you mean by indentation in a document? List the 2 types of indentation. Answer: indentation refers to the distance of text or paragraph from either the right or the left margin. The 2 types are Decrease indent moves the text towards the left margin. Increase indent moves the text towards the right margin. Question. Suda typed wonderful instead of beautiful in their essay. How can they replace it everywhere? Answer. Use Find and Replace. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, enter wonderful in Find, beautiful in Replace, then click Replace All to change all at once or Replace to review each. Question. Annika typed an essay in Writer. How can they find and fix spelling and grammar errors? Answer. OpenOffice Writer uses a built-in dictionary and grammar rules. Incorrect words show a red wavy underline. Right-click the word with the red underline and choose the correct suggestion from the list. Question. Varun wants to increase space between lines in paragraphs in Writer. What should they do? Answer. Use the line spacing option under the Indent and Spacing tab. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Remember to review the material again for better understanding. Keep learning and exploring OpenOffice Writer.